full of music.
And rain.
And rain. Good stuff's coming back, apparently by about Friday.
Oh, good.
I believe so.
Good news.
Throwback from 2019, Shawn Mendes and Camila Cabello.
Oh, there's a great style today. So it says 9 in 10 of us say the person we fear most seeing on holiday isn't our ex, a teacher, a neighbour or an old friend, but our boss.
Oh, yeah. Because you want to escape the workplace, don't you, when you go away?
Well, one woman, in support of this, said her and her husband were on their honeymoon when the connecting door between rooms opened and in stepped her boss.
No. Opening up the connecting door of your hotel room and in walks you...
Those P&L spreadsheets too.
Yeah, no.
Imagine.
But it'd be like one of those, awful games of hide and seek.
You'd think Ant and Dec were going to jump out, wouldn't you?
Can you imagine how awkward that might... Can you imagine the small talk?
Oh, all sorts,
It
wouldn't
would,
it?
and then you've got the next 2 weeks. You're going to see him everywhere, aren't you?
Yeah.
You're going to see him by the pool in his pants.
In his pants.
What, in his bathers? You're going to see him at the morning buffet. Everywhere you go, there's Terry.
Right, okay, so boss in places that you wouldn't like to see your boss.
Oh, yes.
So, like, maybe like a sauna or like a gym health changing rooms or...
Oh, yeah.
You know them awkward ones.
Yeah, or the visitor's room in a prison.
Yeah, well, yeah, that could be a one as well. But
Yeah.
if it's not that outrageous, yeah, just anywhere.
Surprising places you bumped into your boss.
Yes, I like it. Give us a text.
Pink and blue, we're doing all the colours.
Make me a wish just for
Hits Radio.
Give me one good reason why you shouldn't get onto Dazzle Bingo. I'll give you 100 why you should. Sign up to Dazzle Bingo today and get 100 free bingo tickets and 10 free spins when you depart among the fun at dazzlebingo.com. 100 free bingo tickets and 10 free spins for a tenner. Over 18s only. T's and C's apply. BeGambleAware.org.
Get more for less on your phone this summer with Leica Mobile. Want 5 gigabytes of data plus UK calls and texts for just £1.99? We've got you. Want it all with unlimited data? You can have it for just £10. Plus, all plans include EU roaming and are available on eSIM.